see what you're looking to find in a smile on my face, in my peace of mind, in my state of grace. I send what I came to the man from the minister race. He's a part of heaven's plan, and he talks to me. Now I send what I came to the man with a diamond ring. He's a part of heaven's plan, yeah, and he sure can sing. Now it's all I can afford, but the Lord has sent me eternity. It's to save the little children in a poor country. Got my ticket to heaven, an everlasting life. I gotta ride all the way to paradise. I got my ticket to heaven, an everlasting life. All the way to paradise. Nothing left for luxuries, nothing left to pay my heating bill. But the good Lord will provide, I know He will. So send what you came to the man with a diamond ring. They're tuning in across the land to hear him sing. I got my ticket to heaven, an everlasting life. Gotta ride all the way to paradise. Got my ticket to heaven, an everlasting life.
Away from me as I walk through the subway. It must have been about 3:15 in front of me. But a beautiful honey with a beautiful body. She asked me for the time. I said the cost of her name, 6-digit number, and a date with me tomorrow at 9. Did she decline? No. Didn't she mind? I don't think so. Was it for real? Damn sure. What was the deal? A pretty girl is 24. So is she cute? She couldn't wait. Cinnamon queen. update. What did she say? She said she loved to rendezvous. She asked me what we were gonna do, so we stopped with a bottle of Moet for tea. Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday we chilled on Sunday. I met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday we chilled on Sunday. 9 was time, cause I'll be getting mine, and she was looking fine. Smooth talker, she told me she loved to unfold me all night long. Ooh, I love the way she kicked it, from the front to the back she flipped it. And I hope that you care, cause I'm a man who'll always be there.
Pelé i Maradona unit, no, i Stefano era un pou de picardia. Honor i glòria als qui han fet que brilli el sol del nostre futbol de cada dia. Tots tenen els seus mèrits, lo seu a cadascú, però per mi ningú com en Kubala es plega el respectable silenci.
Quan arriba Nadal, és un bon moment per fer balanços. Crec que a l'Institut Cal Gravat la valoració que hem de fer de l'any és molt positiva. Un professorat competent, implicat i sobretot amb una actitud molt positiva. Un personal d'administració i serveis, la Joana, la Natàlia i la Vanessa, sempre disposades a donar una mica més. Una AMPA molt col·laboradora i amb una il·lusió magnífica. I sobretot, un alumnat que, llevat de comptades excepcions, té clar quin és l'objectiu. En realitat, som com una família, la família de l'Institut Cal Gravat. Bon Nadal a tothom i un feliç any 2011 ple de salut.